How to join a YouTube MCN step by step. To join the multi-channel network, first of all, you must apply to a third-party network, meet their requirements, and accept their official invitation with your YouTube Studio dashboard. First things first, you must meet the prerequisites. An active channel with a consistent upload schedule and a good copyright standing with zero active community guideline or copy strikes, and also strong organic metrics that prove your channel's commercial value. Now you simply have to research and select a network. Once you do this, you simply have to submit an application, navigate to the official website of your chosen MCN, find your Join Us, Apply, or Creator portal page. Fill out the application form with your channel link, contact details, and primary content category. You can typically be asked to authenticate your channel via Google Sign-in so their system can analyze your public viewership data. Once you do this, review and sign the legal contract, accept the invitation in YouTube Studio dashboard. From there, you simply have to click Get Started of your invitation and accept it. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.